Hey yo, what's up, WinDev fam? All of y'all, thank you for tuning in. In my video today, we're gonna be making Instagram stuff, okay? Like this is and the post, but it's not gonna be fully functional. That means we're not gonna have these login, logout stuff, all these actions. We're just gonna talk about React component, why it's important. Okay, got this. As you can see, it's all repeated. Okay, the size, the border, the pictures, the rounding, and the title down here, and then the post, assuming it's gonna be this person, the name, the location, the pictures, these stuff, the like, all these buttons, it's gonna be part of it. Now I'm gonna be talking about why it's so important to use React components. Okay, this is why we're using React. Now I'm gonna step it aside, assuming you already know how to set up React with Tailwind. Okay, I'm not gonna go over that again and again. I will linking down below to the video that I them set up. Okay, a video to where I set them up. So go ahead and watch that. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Comment down below all that so we can beat this algorithm. Okay, I've been pushing a lot of video out, but YouTube is not pushing it out. Okay, all right, y'all, let's get started. I want to make this a short video, but I don't think I can because of I haven't prepared any of the data. So what are we gonna do? Let's see. We have this. I'm just gonna make two sections of this. Got a bunch of pictures, like 5. Okay. Now let's go to ChatGPT. This is where we're gonna use ChatGPT. Okay, because I won't do this from scratch. I want to tell generate data, create a data file, but we don't want it. Okay, we're gonna call this home JSX, and I want this to be in there. Okay, and we want this to be home. Okay, add it there. We got home. Okay, and with all these data. Now normally we could do this, right? We can loop this and do something like the name, the photo, the whatnot. We're not gonna do that right now. We want to keep it clean. Okay, that's why we have a component. Now let's create a component folder, components, and inside the components we want to have a file name. Let's say a users card .jsx fce, and inside the component we want to have user JSX. Okay, we're gonna have a lot of component because we want to keep it clean. Let's delete that. We don't need that. Okay, we don't need this. We only need the user's card. Okay, now let's picture this. So we have different users here. Okay, but they're all gonna have this ring, this picture, and the name. Now let's get started. We're not gonna create any of these. Okay, just this part and this part. Yep, and this part, whatever. It's gonna be a while, y'all, but it's gonna be worth it. Trust me. Okay, you want to learn this.
About the future, yeah. But what if I don't even make it there? I don't wanna be worrying about that. But that's been where my mind. Cause now it's like 55 quid for my phone bill and a tenner for my bus pass too.
Got the screenshot like that. Okay. All right, now let's get started. We got the card. Let's go ahead and make the card. Okay. We're gonna start off with only one picture. Okay, go with class name we're gonna go here and we want an image. Okay, let's go to pixels. Okay, keep something like that, and let's do people, just the person. Okay, we want this guy. We normally don't copy the image address because if the image change, you won't have it anymore, but for now we're gonna copy paste it in here. Okay, just one for now. So let's see what we got. Let's go home. Let's do users card, input it. There we go, we got one person. Okay, let's style the person up. All right, I'm gonna have another div here. In order to start that, we're gonna do class with 20. Okay, 20, 32 probably, height 32. We want to round it full, object cover. All right, we got that, but it is too big. All right, so we got something like that. Okay, we got it like that. And then the ring, let's go with border red 500, and you say with fit rounded 100. Okay, and we're gonna do padding, some padding like that, or just do one up the border a little bit, border 2. There we go, we got something like that. Okay, but still the image is too big. That's fine, let's go with 20, and that's our final round. All right, we got this one person. Now we want to be able to have, oh yeah, the name also, right? Under this we want to have P John. Okay, that's text. So we want to have that. We'll do a text center. It's gonna be weird, yeah, because the width is too big. And each card we want to have width fit like that. And that's the name. Let's do py2 or 1. Give it some space. That's it. And now we're gonna go here. We can do this, right? And then in each we can give it a prop. We want to say it's gonna have a pic. Okay, picture, whatever pictures in there. Let's just choose this one. Okay, just widen up a little bit. Let's take this. Now it's not gonna have an image, right? It's gonna scream in air. Oh, what the hell, man? There's nothing there. Now, since we created the pic here as a prop, right? Let's just paste it in there as a prop. It's not gonna fix that yet because we want to bring in the props here. So we want pic, and then inside the source we want that pic because it has our, okay, there we go. Now everything is not going to be the same anymore because only one component now has this prop. Okay, none of these don't have it. So, but we have the name and the border stuff. Okay, now the name we want to do the same. We want to say name. In here we want name. Okay, now it's not going to show, and because we don't have the name. Now let's go here, do name. Let's do John. Okay, whatever, John. There we go, we got the name because these don't have it. Okay, if we have a different name, pop. There we go. But we're not going to do that, okay? Since we have an array of objects, we're going to use that. But we're going to keep one card. And then this is how we're going to do it. We're going to do array of objects. We want to do dot map. Say first user. Okay, let's just call it user. And we want to instantly return it. Okay, look at that. We got John. Okay, now let's change this to user dot name. We got the name now, but we don't have a picture. That's the problem. Okay, now let's go ahead and add the pictures. Pick. We have this pic, and add it in there. Let me quickly do this and get everybody in there. Let's do her. And then him. And then this person, and then this person. Okay, all right, we got different people now we need to change this to change it to user.picture. Okay, there we go. We got different people now, and that's so easy, y'all. You see, and then we want to flex it, flex, and then space x4. There we go. And let's do justify, center it, and then let's give it a py10. There we go. Now we got that. You see, y'all? That's how easy it is. And now the next part will be next part is the post section. Okay. post section. Okay, we want the post section. There we go. And let's close this up. We don't want this anymore. Let's bring it up. There we go. Okay, we want this. Let's achieve this now. Okay, let's go with this little section first. Down here, we want new, we're gonna call it posts.jsx card. Let's do card. Okay. All right. Now let's create the post first. Let's go home. This is home. We want post card. Okay. There we go. A post. Where's our image? There we go. Inside the post card, we're gonna have on the top, we would have the image, right? Image. Okay, we got the image. Gonna be image, then the name. So we're gonna have div. We're gonna have name. And in here we're gonna have location. Okay. That's it pretty much, you know. And we can do class with 14, height 14, rounded full, and then do object cover, and then we want to do class flex space x4 items center. So we got it like that, and under here it's his actual post. Get div, and we want another one. So image, we're gonna have cities. Okay, let's just get this picture, paste it in there. We're gonna paste it in there, but we don't want the flex to happen there. We want this on the bottom of the name. Okay, and we can do class py4. Give us some padding top and bottom. There we go. Look at that. Can't believe it, y'all. All right, we have some padding, right, beside this. So px 8. Even with the picture. Okay, let's do the div here. Div here. We go class px4. There we go. And under this, we're gonna have a bunch of icons. All right. We want love. Heart. We want this. Make sure y'all install everything like I show y'all. We want React icons, okay? Can't resolve it. Maybe I haven't installed it yet, but it's easy. Okay, go npm I React icons. Bam. Easy. There we go, no more errors. Look at that. It's so beautiful already. And I was right. It was touching the sides. Okay, let's make this. I was right. Okay, we'll do px4. There we go. Alrighty. Since we got that, let's look at this heart and comment. They say it's the best practice to use the icons the same. Like if you're using solid, use solid only. You know, be consistent with it. That's what makes it beautiful. That's what makes it beautiful. Okay, I'll stop with the singing, y'all. Y'all gonna be like, we ain't here to hear you sing. Chill. I ain't good either, so. Okay, BS send, okay? And we're not gonna do this crap. That's too much work. And we got a little image here, liked by whatever. Okay, we're gonna use that too. Okay, since we're done with that, under this, we're gonna have another div. This div is gonna be icons div, okay? We're gonna go with CI, and if you really want to go far with it, like if you want to use more components, because this will be repeated again, so it's best to use component, but not for the small stuff here. And then let me do BS send. All right. Okay, let me just put everything there. We'll style it later. Okay. After that, under this, we're gonna have a favorite style. Favorite bookmark. Okay, we're gonna have a bookmark. I seen in the design stuff, they say, it's best to use icons that are self-explanatory, you know what I mean? Like when you look at it, you know what it does. It does what it does, So that's important. But the thing is, here we would need another div around this. Okay, if we flex it later, we want to have those three stick to that side and the other one by itself. Okay, it's important to already know your outline before you start coding anything. Okay, you need to know the layout. Like this has its own component. Okay, this is the whole thing. So you're gonna know that section is gonna have 1, 2, 3 stuff here, and this are gonna be together, so they're gonna wrapped in another div. And here, image by itself, so that's fine. You only need one div, and this is gonna need one div, so it's gonna need one div all around here, and then 2. So inside that div, okay, we're gonna need it. Hopefully y'all learned something. Okay, this part we're gonna need 2 divs. You see, 3. I mean, oh, 2. Yeah, one outside, one at the bottom. Okay, and this right here, we're gonna need another div. That's a lot of divs going around. Okay, let's get it. Div. We're gonna work on this part now. That part we're gonna have an image, and we're gonna have, let's just do P. Has a couple of sections, but let's stick it together. By Greg left N 44, whatever. Let's make it famous. 44. Okay. Whoa, look at that. Others. Alright. And down here, we're gonna have another div. In that div, we're gonna have a P tag. I'm gonna say Joshua. I game in Japan. Japan was amazing, and I want to share some photos. Yes, sir. Indeed, it's amazing. It looks beautiful. Alright, y'all. Let me pull this to the side. Y'all don't need to see it anymore. Let's go ahead and do our thing. Remember, this one has 3 little dots over there. Let's make that happen. Just make it like that, okay? Now, this one, do we do flex? Yeah. So image is gotta stay with this. See, that's why I tell you it's important to do the layout. And these two is gonna stay the same. Yeah, that's a lot of div, y'all. Okay, now this is where the magic is gonna happen. We're gonna do justify between. Now you're gonna see the dots over here. Let's make it a little bigger. Whoa, beautiful. And then here we're gonna do flex again. Flex. Space. Flex 2. Let's just do 2. Okay, there we go. Beautiful, right? Let me get some water. All right. Now let's go down here. We got that image. Leave that image alone. Class name. Let's do flex. Items center. Do justify between. Now you'll see why this one goes all the way to the end now. And this one we gotta flex it again. Class flex items center space x4. All right, and then let's go ahead and do text. Let's make the icons a little bigger, but that's too big. to. Yeah. And let's do py3. Let's give it some space. Look at that. And then this right here, gonna do px4. Okay, there we go. We got that part done. And now let's do this one. Plus flex. It's a lot of flex. It's repeated over and over. And then do items center. And we do space x2. Okay, now we gotta add the image. Any image we want. Let's change this. Yup. There we go. Whoa, too big. Class width 10. Height. That's still too big. Do rounded 4. Okay, that's good enough. I do px4. There we go. And then down here, we're gonna do class px4 py4. py2. Let's just do 2. Okay, there we go. Beautiful, beautiful. And they even have this. If it's the name, you make it bold. All right, so we don't want to do that. All right, that's how it is. And now let's get the game begins. Okay, we're gonna go to user or post home. We want the same thing. Okay, we want to repeat this, but now we want to be able to reuse the image, but we want to have the post. Okay, we're in the post image, but we can create a better data, but I don't want to. Can create the post data. We're gonna keep the name the same. We just want the image. Yeah, just the image of the cities. Copy. We just want the image. Copy. All right, let me do this. Beautiful. Post. All right. Now let's go ahead and copy all the images. Paste it. Just copy paste. I swear Pixel's amazing, y'all. I love using this site. Free and best. Alrighty. Now we got everything. Let's go ahead and do the same thing. It's gonna be the same. We're gonna repeat. Okay. We want to call this post post card. Okay, look at that. Got different posts now. Got the name, and let's do class PY10. Let's have some space. Wait, let's go to postcard PY10. Okay, give some space like that. PT. Okay, there we go. Now let's go to our post. We got different name now, right? And pictures. We want pictures and we want post. And inside this post, we're gonna say user.post. Okay. And we're gonna go here. We're gonna say name, pic, and post. Now we're gonna change their name, and oh yeah, we need location as well. We'll do that later. Image, pic. Look at that. Oh, I'm getting the wrong one now. This is, it's not the user. The user is right here. This is pic. There we go. And then they're posting their own pictures. Wow, that's nice. Nothing wrong with that. Now I want to change this to the beautiful locations. Yay. Say post. Okay. Source post. Wow, it feels like a real Instagram now. Okay. Pic, post. I did bring in the post, right? Oh, this is just pic user.post. P-O-S-T. Yeah. What's up with that? Should work. Pic user.pic. Post user.post. P-O-S-T. No, I did. What? I did get the post, right? Let's see. Unless I did something wrong to the postcard. Pig. Yeah, post. I did. I put post. Oh, duh. Okay, there we go. Look at that. Wow. Such a beautiful stuff. Wow, look at that. Okay. Now we got that. Now what do we do? Oh yeah, we need the location as well. We got the location here. And we'll add location user dot location, and then go to postcard, add location, in here the location. There we go, New York City. And then we got Paris, France. That's not France, but London. Okay. Sydney, Australia. Tokyo, Japan. There we go, y'all. This is beautiful. What do you guys think? Do you guys like it? Is it beautiful? And just have a HR here. Got some line over there, right? I give this class height 2. There we go. Some lines there. There you go, y'all. But it's not responsive, okay? Figure that out if you want. And if you even also want to add like life stuff, you know, the life, the beautiful life, like this. Like this beautiful life here, we can make that. And they just say we want to do only one person life. Okay, how do we do that? Now you're gonna say, and let's add another data here. Let's say life false. Okay, we're gonna make it false. Yeah. All right, make false, false, false. Let's just make this one true and this one true. Two people, okay? Yay. Now it's not showing anything yet, but let's go and let's do live and live, user life. Okay, we don't have it yet, and let's go to user card. Let's go make this smaller, and inside the image let's put some div. Inside this div, we're gonna have a p tag. It's gonna say live. Okay, there we go. Wow, they're all live now. Beautiful. And now we're gonna do bg red 500. Oh, plus bg red 500. Let's see, where's our live stuff? Oh my goodness, they're all live. Okay, and I want to do a text white and border 2 border white. Okay, and we're gonna say width 5. No, let's do fit. Okay, I'm gonna do P1. Uh-oh. P1. Height. Haha, it's too small. Okay, we're gonna have it like that then. Px2, Px3, okay, and we're gonna round that a little bit. Rounded XL. Okay, look at that. But we want it in the bottom. We want it on the bottom. Okay, we're gonna say absolute bottom 0. Absolute to what? Absolute to this. Relative to that. Nope, can't do MX auto. Trying to do left and right 0, but insert. Okay, bottom 0, left 10, left 5. Let's do negative life. Okay, there we go. We should have it like that. Life. There we go. Now they're all life. But now we want to get the life. And what do we want to do? We want to check. Let's check bet. Let's see. Life. Let's do life. If it's true, we want all that. There we go. That's simple. See? Piece of code saying, are they live? If live, just this. We don't care about if they're live or not. If they're not live, okay, we don't care about that. That's what it's saying. So we can come here again, make this false. There we go. So it's not live anymore. And then Control Z, make it live like that. That's how you do it. Okay. That's how easy it is. Alright guys, have fun, make this project, comment down below, subscribe, let's grow this channel and let's bring out bangers. Peace out.